Good morning, children. Let us continue our study. Let us take page number 29, last paragraph. Yesterday in my class, I explained to you that how we need to be independent. So, when we are independent, we do our work and we feel happy rather than depending on others. When we depend fully on others, after achieving success, we are not very happy because others have helped us. When we do hard work and we achieve success, it is a real joy for us. So let us take page number 29, last paragraph. Being independent does not mean having the freedom to do whatever we want. See, here very important point. Freedom. Being independent, when we are independent, being independent does not mean freedom of doing whatever we like it. See, in the first class only I told you, when you do anything, you do with responsibility, then it has meaning, otherwise no. So, it doesn't mean that when we are free, we can do whatever we like it. We should not do whatever we like it. So, see children here, once again, is being independent does not mean having the freedom to do whatever we want. We cannot do. See, our Indian constitution gives us so many freedom to speech, freedom to education, freedom to practice religion, and so on. There are so many other things. See, we can practice all those things, but it does not go beyond that. When we are not free, or when we are free, and when we do whatever we like, that is wrong. That will be, therefore, it will be wrong. Well, we should know what is good and bad. See, good and bad. We cannot go beyond the boundary. Next slide. It is wrong to think this way. It means to do something on our own with the agreement of our parents, teachers, and elders. So, my dear children, whatever we do, we should, there should be agreement. There should be agreement with our teacher or parents, elders, and so on. So, we should take their permission. We should not do our own. In other words, without their knowledge, if you do dangerous things, it is very harmful. So, it should be always in agreement with the teachers and parents. See, before doing any work, when we are in the school, we need to take permission from the teachers. If they give permission, then only we should go. If they accept it, because teachers know that it is good or bad, so they will certainly allow or they will say no. So we need to take permission from teachers. Similarly, when we are at home, we need to take the permission of our parents or the elders in our locality, or if it is in the family, we should take permission from parents, and then only we should do certain things. Okay. So my dear children, I will continue in my next class. I end my class here. Thank you very much to everyone.